Assalamu alaikum, my brother and sisters and my all the viewers. I hope আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমরাও সবাই ভালো আছি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। আজকে স্যাটারডে এবং অনেক সুন্দর আজকের দিনটা। গত সপ্তাহটা অনেক ঠান্ডা, এখনও ঠান্ডা বাইরে, দেখতে যত সুন্দরই হোক না কেন, বাইরে টেম্পারেচার 5 হয়তো, বাট অনেক ঠান্ডা, বাট সুন্দর আজকে একটু। অন্যান্য দিন এত বৃষ্টি ছিল আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। তো আজকে স্যাটারডে। ইব্রাহিমের ক্লাসমেট একজন পাকিস্তান, তারা পাকিস্তানি, বাট এই দেশেই থাকে পার্মানেন্ট, তারা বড় হয়েছে এই দেশেই তারা। তো ইব্রাহিমের ফ্রেন্ডের মা চাচ্ছে যে আমি বাচ্চাদেরকে নিয়ে একটা ভিডিও করব, তো সে আজকে আসতেছে। আমি ভাবলাম আগে থেকে আপনাদেরকে একটু জানিয়ে রাখি, বাংলাতে মনে হয় ও আসলে তো আমাকে বেশিরভাগ ইংরেজিতেই বলতে হবে কথা। সো আই হোপ আপনারা এনজয় করবেন এবং বাচ্চাদেরকে সাপোর্ট করবেন। ওদের বাচ্চারাও আসবে, থাকবে আমাদের সাথে ইনশাল্লাহ, তো খেলাধুলা করবে, তো সাপোর্ট করবেন প্লিজ। অ্যান্ড আই সি ইউ, এবং আসলে ইনশাল্লাহ দেখা করিয়ে দিব। আমি জানি না ও দেখা করবে কিনা। সো মালিয়া একটু সালাম দিয়ে দাও আম্মু। হ্যাঁ, সো আমি সাডেনলি আমি আসতেছি, তো বেশি কিছু করতে পারিনি। দেখি আমি একটু নাস্তার অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট করতেছি, একটু সমুচা রোল করতেছি, অ্যান্ড বাচ্চাদের জন্য একটু কাবাব করব। অ্যান্ড খুব বেশি অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট আমি করতে পারতেছি না, 6-7টা আইটেম হয়তো করবো। আমি একটু জুস টুস করবো, বাচ্চাদের জন্য একটা কেকের ব্যবস্থা করছি, বিকজ দুপুরে আসতেছে যেহেতু, আমি ঠিক ডিনারের জন্য অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট করি নাই। যে আমি জানি না ও কীভাবে অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট এক্সপেক্ট করতেছে। আই হোপ এভরিথিং উইল বি ফাইন ইনশাল্লাহ। সো আপনারা দেখে থাকুন। ওরা খুব 2:30টার সময় আসবে বলছে, এবং ওর খুবই ইচ্ছা আমি একটু ভিডিও বানাবো ওকে নিয়ে। আপনারা প্লিজ সাপোর্ট করবেন ওকে। ও যখন আসবে তখন যেন মানে এই ভিডিওটা যেন অনেক বেশি বেশি করে সবাই দেখে একটু সাপোর্ট করবেন। আর এনিওয়ে আপনারা অনেক সাপোর্ট করতেছেন, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফর দ্যাট। সো আমি ও যখনই আসবে ইনশাআল্লাহ আপনাদের সাথে পরিচয় করিয়ে দিব, এবং বেশিরভাগ সময় হয়তো আমি ইংরেজিতেই বলবো। সো আই উইল ট্রাই ইনশাআল্লাহ। So here is Faiza. I was talking about her. So Faiza, I'm going to tell them in Bangla, okay? So এটা ফাইজা, আমাদের ইব্রাহিমের স্কুলের ফ্রেন্ডের মাদার। So we are very good friend last 3 years.
Yes,
3 years because yeah, yes. But in this country আমরা খুব বেশি তো আসা যাওয়া, it's not possible যে we're going to come and go so much.
1 year has been we've been basically in lockdown as well for 1 year, this whole year.
Yeah. So and she have 3 kids, one is junior school and one with nursery with Ibrahim, and one nursery.
Yes. But so Saad had 1 year.
Yeah.
No, he didn't go to reception for 1 year.
Okay.
Do you remember?
Yeah. You from Pakistan? Which place?
I'm from Kashmir.
Kashmir. Oh, yeah. Okay. You look like Kashmir too.
Okay. Thank you. And
yeah, let's go. So
camera shy.
Yeah, that was fine. You're doing good. No one is here. Where are they? They gone? You know? Where are they? Oh, they are there. Oh my God! Who?
Getting brave.
Hello, kids. Hello, everybody. Oh, Salah, come on! I want to introduce you. Come on. That's Ibrahim's friend, Salah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Take care! Don't take care. He does that. He does. Oh, that's the people. Oh, hello! What are you doing there? You have to come down, baby.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I was shaking.
That's her daughter. Abu, go to play in the toy room, please. Come on. Salah is very dangerous. I'm so scared about that, you know. I know you do that all the time, but in me, as a me, I'm so scared about that.
Mariam, say hello to the camera.
Mariam, say assalamu alaikum to camera.
Good girl, say it.
Say.
Tisha.
Oh, she's good.
This is your sister. Come on, say hello to her. Say hello to her.
Yeah, you play with Mariam. No, I think we should come and have some food. Salah, Ahmed and Maliha, come on, have some food, please. And then play. Okay?
Are you going to?
He's in year 1, Salah. Why do you get so
I told you.
He's not in year 2.
He is.
How is he in year 2?
He said yes.
I think
No.
basically their playtimes are different times. It's like,
Yes, we is.
Let's see.
I told you.
are you in year
Are they tall same?
Yes.
Oh.
The they're same? Go on, put them
he's
together. Is Maliha? Ibrahim is bigger.
Yeah, Ibrahim, mashallah.
Yeah, he's born
In he's going to be 6 in June.
June.
And this one?
He's gonna be 6 in August 22nd.
Oh, so he's younger.
Younger than him. He's the youngest one, I think, in the school.
Yeah,
In class.
I'm 5 and he's 5.
I know. He's 5.
Same,
You're 5
same,
too.
same.
Yeah. You sit down, Ibrahim. You want to have
Tell
some?
me what you want, don't be
Ahmad, sit down.
Oh, you wanted sausages. Remember you saying today?
Yeah.
You buy these halal sausages.
Yeah, I always buy this.
Hot dog. That's a hot dog.
Yeah. Sit down, everybody.
And can you give me that?
Give it juice.
Okay, 1 second.
Yes, yes. Everything you can have. Don't worry.
You want to sit here because you're so far.
He loved to have this shomucha annually, and make very good noise. I just love that. I think he can have this one.
Do you like the food?
Okay, what do you want? What do you want, Salah?
Ibrahim, what do you want, baby? You take it. Give him 2. Faiza, give him 2
Let
if
him
you
try.
like.
He's never had it before.
Okay.
Then if he eats it, then you can have it.
Okay. Okay.
Let's have one.
Have this. How's it in the hole? Of course, we can't take it.
First try it. First try it. If you like it, then have another one.
Faiza, can you hear
Can
it? Can you hear it? I just love this.
Oh, is that what you do? Mashallah. Do you love it, hey, Mariam? Mariam, Bismillah.
Is Maria okay?
Yeah. Mariam takes a bit of time to get
Adjust, yeah.
Adjust. And when she does, then you will see.
But I think that's a good thing.
Yeah.
You
She
just,
gets time.
as a
He's
girl,
mashallah straight away.
because they boy, they is fine. I think it's fine. But girls should be a little bit like
Yeah,
that.
she's a bit reserved.
Yeah. Because আমি পছন্দ করি না মেয়েরা জাম্প করে কোথাও গিয়ে একটা কিছু করলো আর কি।
Can I have cupcake too?
Well, eat that. And then
Everything you can have. It's no problem.
Finish your Thank you.
We have crisp too inside the cupboard. I'll give you.
Yummy. Say thank you to Auntie.
If you want banana, I can give you fruit too.
My kids, they try to avoid food.
Fruit. Okay. They know.
I try. Yes. What?
Maliha was like that before. Ibrahim was like that, but
only have
they're becoming good now. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, what do you want? Tell me.
So everybody having good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Say thank you for so much effort. Thank you for all this. Say thank you.
Oh, you don't have to say thank you.
All day must have been working so hard.
No. I do all the time these things, and I love to do that.
Okay.
Okay, I love to have some people
What time
around.
do they wake up in the morning?
Normally on the school we can also they come quickly. We want to sleep a little bit, but we can't sleep because of the wake up because of every day.
I have to drag him out of bed. On the weekend, he's up in the morning.
Yeah, I want to sleep in the weekend day, but they wake
Let
up,
your mom sleep.
yeah, and jump up to us.
Yeah. But they're all little in there.
But
But
we,
she's here too.
already
She's
finished.
little.
Yes.
oh, do you know we have junior school is not good. How is junior school?
Sean,
Because
mashallah, with Shani, he's quite a bright student.
Alhamdulillah.
It's not as good as Infa, but I think because it's probably the only local one.
Okay.
It's good. He's doing well.
I hear about racking and then bullying kids. Is that okay? Is that right?
Sean honestly has never had a problem. I don't know.
He didn't.
He's never had, shukr Allah, that he's never had a problem. Maybe at that age, I think it's quite common, isn't it, that kids bully and stuff.
But kids bullying every school. But how much action teacher taking? That's I want to know.
I don't know. He's never complained about bullying.
That's good because I heard from 3-4 people, and that's why I'm a little bit worried about Maliha. Is he? But we have to make her tough too.
You have to. Any school. You got
Any school,
is a
when
better-
she's
it's
gonna
a
go.
smaller community, maybe
Yeah.
there'll be less, but anywhere she goes, that's it. You have to let them.
Her father also said that she has to be tougher to fight
have
with all
to.
these
What can
things.
you do then?
Yeah, we can't do nothing else.
Found a chocolate.
Yeah.
So let's see what are you gonna do. Are you gonna send all of them to
Yeah.
this junior
because
school?
It makes sense. It's local to where we live in it.
Okay.
Yeah. She's gonna come next year to reception.
Okay, some people suggested me to send them, Fulmar one. That's saying that one is good one.
It's Fulma's good, but is that
Saudi Arabia.
is that junior as well, Fulma? Okay, you try that. I'm gonna send when he goes. I might change my mind because when he goes, Sean's gonna be out of that school anyway. So
Okay.
he can go somewhere else. because Sean's going to be in year 7, he's in year 3.
Having so much fun, alhamdulillah. And we are talking. Yeah, everybody is happy, having so much fun.
I'm ruined.
Is Ahmed okay? Having fun.
You got to win. You win. Yeah.
Today is going on. So, ফাইজা ওর বড় ছেলেটাকে নিয়ে আসে নাই, বড় ছেলেটা আবার খালার বাসায় গেছে। So next time you have to bring your son, okay? Big one. Faiza, you bring your big son next time. Take care of everybody's feet, okay? Each other feet because don't get hurt. Oops, Ahmed is looking
Yeah,
after.
Mariam's opened up to the sea.
Yeah,
Now she's got confidence.
yeah. And he is doing good. He is giving up his stuff for her.
Thank you, baby. Love you. Thank you.
No, it's very cold, Abu. It look nice outside, but it's not very nice. It's very cold, Abu. I don't want you to get here. No, we'll do inside summer, okay? It's very cold, Abu.
That's the thing about UK. It's always cold.
Yeah, but it still is better than too hot, I think. And we are better than snow country. We are better than them at least. Yeah. My husband says he wants to go to some home country. I said no, I'm fine. Yeah.
But you get to say,
Yeah.
Bangladesh is very hot.
Yeah.
India, Pakistan, summer.
Bangladesh is, if just their travel system made better, then maybe it's good. It's really good to live if they are traveling. Stuff is good. But traveling is so bad. Road is so bad.
Yeah.
I just can't. Yeah, I just can't imagine to live there again. Thanks Allah bring me here. I hate to sit on the jam. Traffic is so bad, so bad.
It's very developed.
Yeah,
It's quite developed.
not bad. Pakistan have lots of space. They can do more better if they want to. I don't know why they want to live like that.
I'll do that chair to wear.
Yeah, this one is look dangerous.
They must smack their face in
Maybe.
They take hyper.
Yeah.
Go ahead, play.
My lazy one is gone sleep.
He's fatigued.
Oh my God, they're having so much fun. Did you see her, Mariam?
Oh, do you
Yeah,
like it?
she likes Ibrahim.
Do you like it? You see him in school? No,
Yeah.
you will see them next year in school.
They look like brother sister, If you put them together, people is gonna say they're brother sister. Both of
And
faces.
they're tired. My
Yeah.
older son's healthy.
Yeah.
He gets tired quickly as well. I get tired quickly as well. They're happy.
So they're having fun. We'll do more video inshallah. So now we play, okay? Is hungry? Good girl.
Go and play with your brother.
Ibrahim, you go all of them there. Otherwise you're gonna get hurt.
I put that chair there so you can run around it.
Yeah. এই যে আমার টয় রুমের অবস্থা আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। দেখুন হোয়াট আ বিউটিফুল রুম আমার এখন। এই যে দেখা যাচ্ছে, তারা খুব এনজয় করতেছে, তাদের পার্টি লাইট অন, তাদের এভরিথিং ইন দ্য ফ্লোর। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, দে হ্যাভিং সো মাচ ফান। So that's happened, Malika. This is happening, and you are in charge. What's going on? You're in charging, Maliha. Huh? And that's going on. Huh? That's going on. That's good. Oh, hello, Mariam. And Ibrahim is in charge with the remote. Huh? And Ibrahim is chatting with Mariam. Huh, Mariam? You like Ibrahim? You're chatting with Ibrahim? Oh my God, Ibrahim doesn't give you remote. And she Mariam ke remote দিয়ে দিছে তোরে দেয় না Is Mariam okay? So this is going on in our house. Alhamdulillah. They're having so much fun. Some people here are having fun. Ahmed is pushing. Jano. Yeah. What's Ahmed doing in the drawer? You done it, Maliha. He's using this. He's gonna break this one. Go hide it, Maliha. You okay? It's cold. Heating on করে দিব? Okay. They're having so much fun.
Bless them.
Yeah. So there's outside is gone dark, and this Mariam, she's gonna stay in our house now. She's planning to stay.
Adopting her.
Yeah. and she said that she wants to stay with Ibrahim. Oh, that's a good one.
She's cheeky girl.
Yeah. So our Bangladeshi viewers, আপনাদের জন্য বলা হচ্ছে যে
Pakistani girls interested in the
yeah,
Bollywood.
এই মরিয়ম এখানে থাকার চিন্তা ভাবনা করতেছে। সে প্ল্যান করতেছে যে ইব্রাহিমের সাথে সে এখানে থাকবে এবং সে লাইক করছে ইব্রাহিমের বেড এন্ড সে ইব্রাহিমের সাথে ঘুমাবে। তো ওর মা বলতেছে তুই যখন রাত্রে প্রসাব করবি তাহলে কে নিয়ে যাবে টয়লেটে? আমি বলতেছি
Now she's hiding. She's getting shy. Go in the camera.
she's planning to stay here. It's a good girl.
Okay, no, we're not talking about you. Go.
No, we're not talking about
Just say
you.
how lovely you are. Like princess.
Yeah, you
Your
very
friends
princess
waiting
you
for
are.
Your sister's waiting for you. Go.
Yeah.
Best friends waiting for you. Go.
And they're having so much fun. Yeah, and ইব্রাহিমের তো কোনো খবরই নাই এইসব বিষয়ে যে মরিয়ম এসে প্ল্যান করতেছে। ইব্রাহিমের কোনো খবর নাই। আহমেদ, you have any plan? Any plan? এই যে মরিয়ম। Yeah, so have fun.
Be careful. Slide down here. I was plastic.
Salah, take care each other. No fighting, no fighting. Maliha, take care.
Salad, be careful. You're gonna hurt her.
Yeah, there's lots of going on here. So we're gonna have fun all the time, inshallah. Everybody say bye to our viewers.
Mary, we're gonna watch this.
Salah, you don't want to go? No, they don't want to go.
They're having so much fun. They had such a brilliant time.
Maria, you don't want to go?
Beautiful host, lovely
No.
children,
No,
lovely
yeah.
entertainment.
Thank you. No, thank you so much to come.
Thank you.
Okay? You come over next week.
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
Okay?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Salah, if you listen, then we have to go and pick his pajamas up.
Oh.
Then we'll come back, okay?
Yeah.
No, we do fireworks.
Not today.
It's raining, Victor.
Daddy's working.
Yeah.
Daddy said, I asked Daddy. Daddy said Daddy can't because Daddy's
The
meeting.
day you do fireworks, make sure you call me.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah, we'll do
But I
fireworks.
want him to call me.
Okay, Ibrahim is going to call.
He's going to say, hello, please come and do fireworks.
Ibrahim is going to say, mother-in-law,
No, yes,
come to my
yes,
house.
yes.
Mother-in-law.
Yes, you have to start being good to me if you want her.
I
Yeah.
want to go to the.
I think he doesn't want her, she wants him.
Yeah. She's after the Bengali babu.
Bangali Babu.
You like him?
Because his cousin sister got married Pakistani.
Okay. You never know.
You never know. We know.
Well, 20 years from now happens.
You know, he always go to Bangladesh to get married.
You want to go Bangladesh and get married?
No.
Oh my God, no.
Where do you want to get? He doesn't really understand that now. Where do you want to get married? He wants to go.
Now he changed
wants
his
to-
mind.
Now
He changed his
He wants
mind.
to go to Ivan and get married now. He changed his mind now.
Yeah, he always say, I'm going to go to Bangladesh because I'm going to
Where
find
you wanna
somebody who
go?
is mommy.
Where do you want to get married now? Pakistan.
England,
What?
England.
Who have you seen in England? Who have you met in England? Anyone in your school?
Yes,
Who? He doesn't know what marriage is.
And you
He
know,
wants to want to marry Mariam.
Oh, he say always Maliha, but we make him understand. We make him understand. Maliha always make him
He
understand.
said once, I want to marry
They
Sean.
all the brother sisters say that, I think,
Who did you
except
marry?
except our own
He
our
wants to want to marry Mama.
yeah, my sister's son say that.
Really?
Yeah.
Sean doesn't speak like that.
Yeah.
I understand.
Maliha never said that like that. Maliha is so clever.
Yeah.
I'm
Who you want to marry? Why are you eating your hair? Okay, let's get shoes
Okay.
on. Is it delicious? What flavor is it? Break your hair. I love my hair. It's delicious. It's chocolate. Gandhi.
So Maria is going to say bye. Bye.
Boom, boom. This is on YouTube. I'm just going to put this on YouTube.
I'm going to put that in YouTube. If you go home, you can
Happy Halloween.
see.
He goes, hi, welcome to my channel. Do you
Yeah.
start?
Yeah.
Going to put on YouTube. I'm not joking, but in about 3 hours time, we're going to watch.
We're gonna watch it.
You have money. Going to sit down. I'm so excited.
Yeah, go on.
Go on, say it.
Say it bye. Say
He
bye.
thinks I'm joking.
Bye.
You're on YouTube. Yes, Nick.
Bye. Salah, say bye.
Bye. Welcome to my channel.
Bye. No,
This one more.
say bye. They don't want to go. Oh, no, she's.
Let me get your jacket.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you do so much.
If you're going to behave
আপনাদের অনেক 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 ধন্যবাদ আমাদেরকে দেখার জন্য এবং সাপোর্ট করার জন্য অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ প্লিজ কিপ ও মাই গড হি ওয়ান্টস টু স্টে হি ওয়ান্ট টু স্টে yeah he can sleep in guest room okay that's not bad idea you want to sleep with Ibrahim oh very nice of you Ibrahim doesn't sleep in his room either he's going to sleep
with his mom and dad. Are you going to go between them as well?
he
Tomorrow, I'll bring his pajamas.
Yeah?
And he can stay, okay?
okay
Are you
go
going out today, yeah?
yeah okay oh my god she's staying too
But that's such a privilege. They must have had such a good time.
good time alhamdulillah
Maria,
Very good.
tomorrow I'm going to drop you, okay? Again. My dog going now.
okay where are you going to sleep Maria where are you going to sleep
With Malia.
huh Maliha you going to sleep with Maliha
We're going to Nana house now. We're going to Akshikala's house. Let's go.
good Carl you're going to come again if you don't go
Akshikala's house.
your mom have to do some work your mom have to pick up your brother
Yeah. Put you lot to bed.
yeah
Of course you like him. He's here now, Salat.
Wow.
You live in two doors.
not too far you can come all the time inshallah oh
Mariam's such good. Now go and run and put your shoes on.
yeah
No, Mariam. No, Mariam.
if you was living next door I would never say go just
Yeah, I'll
stay.
say, okay.
Yeah.
I'm going out. Please,
yeah
okay,
and for
bye.
later
I wouldn't
but
run
it's, your mom have to take you
No, there we go. We're going to Akshikala house. You go Akshikala house?
yeah
Okay, we're going to
So
Nana
thank you
house.
so
Let's go
much,
say-
and
let's
I'm
go
going to
say
keep them. I'm going to say bye to them. So assalamu alaikum and jazakallah khair. আল্লাহ সবাইকে ভালো রাখুক এবং আমাদের সবাইকে ভালো রাখুক এবং সবাইকে হ্যাপি রাখুক আল্লাহ সবাইকে অনেক 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 ব্লেস দান করুক and thank you so much
Let's say bye, you too.
thank you so much Maliha say thank you so much
Thank you so much.
and subscribe our channel
Subscribe our channel if you didn't subscribe.
thank you
I want to get 100 likes.
oh 100 likes oh thank you so much 100 likes well Faiza he's saying please give 100 likes
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Everyone has to listen to Salat.
yes inshallah Allah will listen to
Okay? Good.
inshallah okay so jazakallah khair everybody jazakallah khair
She stayed tomorrow. Okay? I'll drop her tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
At 9 o'clock in the morning she'll come.
okay you're going to drop her okay she's going to
Yes,
stay our
I'll
home
drop both of them.
okay Allah Hafiz
Are you
assalamu
sure you
alaikum
want me to
jazakallah khair